Meet ODYSS N1, a new way to understand what you eat. Wear ODYSS and tap it once to start pairing. Once it connects, continue setup in the app. Set up your profile so ODYSS can get to know you. After setup, you'll start in Guide. Here you can see today's score and your daily flow. From device, you can check the status of your ODYSS. When you start eating, just eat as you normally would. Once ODYSS recognizes a meal, an eating status pops up on your phone. As you finish, ODYSS starts preparing your meal report. When the report is ready, tap the notification to open it. In the report, you can review your meal's calories, nutrients, timeline, recognized foods, and key nutrition insights. Back in Guide, check Next Move for your next meal. ODYSS suggests when to eat, how much to eat, and what fits your day. From breakfast to snacks, lunch, drinks, and dinner. Everything is captured automatically, without manual logging. Meal by meal, your day comes together. For a full day view, tap Metrics. Here, you can review what shaped your score, starting with quality, energy, and rhythm. Scroll down to see your nutrients and energy balance. Your meal history is saved in the calendar. Tap any date to see what you ate that day. Over time, Calendar helps you follow your eating habits day by day.